Lunch is soon, but I'm hungry now, so I'm gonna make a little snack. Some pesto eggs. I've been seeing this on TikTok. I don't know what I want for lunch yet. I heard to do pesto eggs with the chili crisp. A little bit of butter. A little bit of this jarred pesto. A little bit of this chili crisp too. We'll do 2 eggs. Little pepper. Take those off. I have like some leftover brioche. Okay. Pesto eggs. Let's try this. Tasty. Some of this yolk. I mess with it. Next time, maybe a little Parmesan cheese on top. Okay. I'm gonna finish this and then have lunch. Goodbye.